This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a quick and easy side dish, silken tofu in shallots oil.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is a quick side dish you can make on the spur of the moment for your dinner. We start with a block of silken tofu. Open the pack and invert it into a serving plate. It is ready to eat as it is and do not require any cooking. Now for the shallots oil. Cut up 100 grams of shallots. In a hot pan, heat up 250 ml of oil over a medium heat. Fry the sliced shallots till it's golden brown. Break up and separate the shallots. Add a pinch of salt. This will help draw the moisture out of the shallots and help it brown even better. Back to the tofu. After a few minutes, water will seep out of the tofu. Pour away this water, we don't need it. Add salt and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Pepper, sprinkle some green onions on top of it. Now pour the hot shallots oil on top of the prepared tofu. Quick and easy, silken tofu with fried shallots oil.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.